Ой! Keep watching. Don't look at it. It's gonna take you. Dit var pausen moet dus. So, welcome. We're in the middle of winter outside. It's raining. We're in this abandoned prosthetics hospital. Made by Prosthetics. There is arm fresh, new, unpacked. But as you see, there's a lot of graffitis and people have been here, trashed stuff. But our goal is to have a quick exploration because it's right in the middle of a big road and some people can't see us. I've seen a lot of pictures, it looks cool, and I hope it's cool, and I hope you like it. And I hope we like it. It's a glove or a hand, I don't know. This is the corridor. I've seen pictures of this place. Кучето е влизал. There was a dog outside. Nice. Some tape. Нещо? Туалет? Не. Да, това е квадрата. Имаме някакви... това е от противогаз чанта. This is from a gas mask. Ти е противогазе. Gas mask, more gas masks. I hope we find something cool to film. Страшно, чулико.
Да, аз това и бягах първия път.
Чуха се някакви странни звуци. Има крак, брат. We've been to a lot of abandoned places, but this is creepy. Because a lot of people have been here, and it's probably someone here with us right now. I don't know, let's hope not. Има стълби за нагоре. Вляво. На 2020 календар. Вътре. So this place was recently abandoned. But I hope the camera picked up the woman that was walking outside. Ние ходим и една жена минава отвънка. И гледаш настрани. Да. Не, аз се скрих напред, той скри назад.
Не, се скрих. Не, така и гледах преди. Се беше горила шишата напред. Вижте какво?
От някакви звуци се издават. So fucking creepy, man. Ой! Куче, има куче. Има куче вътре. Виж. Ще заобиколим кучето просто. Опа! Ой, как се стреснах, че това си едно човек. Виж го, виж го. Едва вляво. Едва. Тук виж въздуховоди. Надолу. Сигурно има бункер. Авариен изход на бункера. Има. Надолу още. Look how beautiful. Това е много cool. Единството яко нещо до сега. Климатик някой са прецакали. Взимай шкафчето, брат. Взимай тавелица тук. Ти чайник. Тук? Just watching. Don't look at it. It's gonna take you. Идва, пал съм го близо. Nice. At least it's not so cold as outside. Топка. Какво ще спаднеш, ще я вземеш сега? Ще да спадна с ножа. Стая? За чил, не чупет. Черпаци! Винаги съм искал черпаците на болницата. New type of hospital. This hollow out with the hollow walls. Fucking hell. But it's better than being rained on. Sot. Няма сот. Мириш на цигари. Айде си ходим. Айде си ходим. Нищо, празни стаи. It was overall pretty cool. It was overall pretty cool exploration. It would be better if the things were more preserved, let's say like that. And we are going to head out right now. Cool place. The second floor we don't want to explore because of the dog. You don't know if there is a person with it or it's with other dogs. So yeah, fun experience. And let's head out.